Hi, welcome to my video, and I made a few updates last week, including the trees, which are made in Maya Paint Effects. It's got LEDs, so got no performance issues with these many trees. I know Paint Effects is a bit outdated, but it worked out fine so far. So I'm using custom textures which I captured with my smartphone camera, and I think it looks fine. And yeah, I did more buildings obviously, so it's becoming more dense, and yeah, I'll be adding more type of buildings. I'm pretty much done with high-rise buildings, so I'll be focusing more on industrial buildings and residential low-rise buildings. And another thing I've added is a weather system, and I optimized the lights a little bit. So if I just play the scene, it's gonna trigger the weather, and I could just reverse the weather as well. So basically, when I trigger the weather, the rain starts to fall and the puddles will generate gradually, and I got this nice ripple effect as well. Everything is shader based, and it's all world space, so it doesn't matter what kind of UVs I have. And also it only appears on the top of the geometry, so if I take a look at the side, it doesn't really have any effects on it. And another thing I was talking about, the light optimization. Last time it wasn't really good in terms of nighttime frame rate, but I basically optimized it by just adding a simple switch. So unless I'm very close to the light source, it will not turn on. I thought draw distance would do the job, but in fact draw distance still has some performance drain, so I figured I should probably turn it off completely when I'm far away. But there's still fake decals, so it looks like they're still having some effects on the landscape. But in fact they're all just hidden. And yeah, transitions still not perfect. It's really hard to get right. But yeah, I no performance issues even at night, which is good. And yeah, that's about it. So basically more buildings, trees, lights, and the rain system. So I think I'm gonna give you a little tour of the updated map. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, that's about it for this video, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more updates.